TTF Power Systems is a leading power line hardware manufacturer in China. Our best-selling products include pole line hardware, line construction hardware, conductor hardware, overhead line connector, and electrical distribution boxes. Serving our global customers for more than 2 decades, TTF operates within a robust system of research and development, quality control, and logistic network. Our fully modernized production lines are located in Renqiu, Hebei Province, where our engineer teams supervise the resupply of raw materials and the galvanizing process of our products. Our engineers proactively communicate with the clients to better understand their technical instructions. That way, we can avoid potential quality issues prior to production. But we want to do more. Our flexible OEM services allow us to provide optimal hardware solutions to local demands. Customer support has always been the core of our service. Operating an enterprise based on trust, we welcome visits from our customers because we're confident about the quality of our products. Not only that, we also keep every step of the shipping status available at all times, ensuring speedy delivery and customer satisfactory. Over the past 20 years, we have served global customers from more than 30 countries and regions, which coincide with our goal to be the one-stop power utility solution. In the future, we will continue to dedicate our resources to improving the safety and connectivity of electrical power.